Good morning, my family and friends. Today is Wednesday morning, and I will show you how to cook pork roast Filipino style. Real easy, just like leave it there and forget it. So please watch my video. If you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe, like over here, comment, and please hit that notification bell so you will get notified in my next video. My friends, please watch my video. So I will show you in a little bit. It's very crispy and it will be good. So if you're busy, if you have busy life, you need to get something like that, so you'll just set it and forget it. Or you can also have the regular toaster like this. I'll show you in a little bit. You can also use to roast the pork, but I recommend the Power XL air fryer. My family and friends, if you're not in my system yet, if you're not in my community, please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified in my next video. Thank you, and I'll show you the finished product later. This is the secret of how to make crispy Lechon Kawali. You need to have a Power XL air fryer. This is really easy and you don't have to worry about. So what I did, I set the temperature for 350 for 30 minutes, and then of course you need to check from time to time. And look, it's getting crispy. Maybe I need some, let me say 24 minutes, and then it will be good. I'll show you later. See, this is really good, very easy. So Power XL air fryer, you'll never regret. You'll be happy if you got one. If you don't have one, just use regular oven. So what I did, I boiled some kawali.
Sa kwanda. What's a tirin sen? Okay. Ilawan. Sige din. Okay. Sarap.
Sarap.
Lechon. Sa lechon de, insang na, negros?
Lechon de negros. Lechon de negros de kawali.
Ay, wak pa da, jira. Karoon na lang da.
Yummy. Bantay sa mga kamot.
Kadugay.